In this video, you'll learn how to convert documents using Kimi AI. This guide provides a step-by-step process to help you efficiently transform your files into spreadsheets. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Kimi AI interface, which is designed to facilitate document conversions. Next, locate the prompt area on the main interface. This is where you will input your commands for document conversion. It is typically positioned prominently on the screen, making it easy to find. After that, click on the plus icon, which is usually found near the prompt area. This icon allows you to add files for conversion. Once you click it, a file selection window will appear. Now click on the option labeled Attach Files. This action opens your computer's file explorer, allowing you to browse your files. Make sure to select the appropriate document you wish to convert. Then choose the file you want to convert. It is important to consider the file format, as Kimi AI supports various formats for conversion. Once your file is highlighted, proceed to the next step. Click on the Open button to confirm your selection. This action will upload the file into Kimi AI for processing. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this may take a moment. Once the file is uploaded, return to the prompt area and click on it again to input your conversion command. This step is crucial as it directs Kimi AI on how to handle your document. Now specify that you want to convert the document to a spreadsheet format. This is typically done by typing a command such as convert documents to spreadsheet and precise. After entering your command, wait for Kimi AI to generate the spreadsheet. This process may take some time, especially for larger files. You can monitor the progress on the interface, which may show a loading indicator or status message. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.